Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 Scout 255 LXF that we have listed on brokerage here in Charleston. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the standard white hull color. Of course, with all the Scouts, you have the white rub rail with the stainless steel insert that's standard. Scout logo with the red trim. Aztec faux teak on the swim platforms, both port and starboard. Trim tabs, of course, standard on this boat. This boat is powered with the twin 150 XCAs from Yamaha, which is the digital throttle and shift, and there's 36 hours on these motors. This boat was stored on a dry dock, and now we'll head inside and see the rest. So here inside this cockpit on the 2020 Scout 255 LXF, we have a splash well at the transom, raw water washdown, standard, rod holders and cup holders along the back, standard Baitwell on the port side. Of course, all the cleats recessed. We've got a self-bailing cockpit, stern seat that stows away, folds out really nicely, easily seats 2 adults, has a nice high backrest as well, stows away really clean. Access to the bilge area, great place for a stern anchor. You'll notice the sandbags. This boat does come with a full mooring cover from LaPortes products here locally in North Charleston. We've got undergunnel rod storage on both sides. Also a great place to store a boat hook or a deck brush. This is the upgraded leaning post from Scout, which has the slide out 65 quart Yeti, along with a Baitwell, rod holders, cup holders. We've got rocket launchers along the hardtop, spreader lights fore and aft, speakers built into the hardtop, stainless grab rails. We've got switches for our lighting up top, Garmin VHF Radio. Here at the dash, we've got a 10-inch Garmin touchscreen unit. More hardwire switching here. Again, trim tabs with the optional LED indicators, digital start and stops, digital throttle and shift, of course. The steering wheel is on an adjustable tilt base. This is the upgraded Edson wheel with the rubber back, and it has a steering knob. On the leaning post, you have 2 bolsters that work independently of each other. Really comfortable seating with armrests that fold down. We've got a non-skid foam material that's nice and comfortable on your feet. But whether you're seated or you're standing, it's a really comfortable place to operate the boat or sit as a passenger. We'll come back around to the port side and check out the head area. So self-contained porcelain head with its own holding tank. Tons of headroom in there. Great and open for storage. The head unit for the stereo is also located down here along with some other switches. Boat also has a freshwater washdown. Further forward, our bow seating area. About 5'10" is where I stand. Plenty of lounge space for taller folks up here in the bow. We have a fold-out picnic table with a cooler box forward. Windlass anchor. Nice and clean through the stem with switches here at the bow in addition to what you have back at the helm. Rod holders, so this boat is sunshade ready. These backrests also easily remove, as do these cushions if you want to get everything more converted to fishing. We've got a half seat forward of the console that can also be used as a cooler box here with a really nice high backrest. You've got great back support and shoulder support. Lastly, we'll come back around the starboard side of the console. Here's our freshwater connection along with a battery charger for the boat. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. This boat is located here in Charleston, South Carolina. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.